Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Wellfound for job search. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser you prefer using and search for Wellfound, just like that. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the first link right over here and make sure that you're logged in into your account. If you haven't already, or if you don't know how to, I've already made a video on how you can do that. So once you've done that, simply on this search tab right over here, you can search for your job title and add wherever you want to go ahead and work on. So for example, you can simply select a job title. Let me just go ahead and select one as well. So let's just say a creative director, and now there you go. It's going to show you it's going to show you all the places that are actively hiring for this exact post or the position. So all you need to do is just select one, click on learn more, and apply now. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.